Hello everyone! I'm Ayana, a Vtuber. Today I'll explain how to append and link. Let's begin! Let's start! Append makes a full copy of the data into your blend file, without keeping any reference to the original one. You can make further edits to your local copy of the data, but changes in the external source file will not be reflected in the referencing file. Now let's add object data from another Blender file. Select Append from the File tab in the header menu. When the dialog appears, open the Blender file you want to append. When you want to open the Blender file, it'll be displayed in folders such as Camera, Light, Material, Object, and Texture. I'll select the Object folder. A list of objects will be displayed. Select the object you want to append and click the Append button. The append object will copy and load into the current file like this. Next, I'll explain how to link objects in another Blender file. Link creates a reference to the data in the source file. That changes made here will be reflected in the referencing file the next time it is reloaded, but linked data is not editable. Select Link from the File tab in the header menu. The dialog will be displayed, so select the Blender file you want to link to. I'll select Object folder. Select the object you want to link, and then click the Link button to link the object. The linked object has been loaded. As you can see, if you select a linked object, you cannot switch to edit mode. Select Save from the File tab in the header menu to save this file. Enter the file name and then click the Save Blender File button. Then try to check it after changing the object in the original file, if the object in the linked file has been changed or not. Select Open from the File tab in the header menu. Select the Blender file as the link source and click Open. After opening the link source Blender file, select the object, switch to edit mode, and try transforming the shape of the object with the Extrude Region tool. After changing the shape, click Save from the File tab in the header menu. Select Open from the file in the header menu again to open the Blender file that you saved. Next, I'll explain how to load multiple objects at once by appending or linking. Select New from File tab in the header menu and click General to return the screen to its startup state. To make it easier to understand, I'll delete all objects. Click the triangle mark to the left of the collection in the outliner to close the collection. In the state, right-click and select Delete Hierarchy to delete all objects at once. Select Append from File in the header menu again to open the file you saved. To load multiple objects at once, select Collection folder and then click the Append button. Select the collection that you want to import and click the Append button. In this way, multiple objects have been appended at once. This is a lecture on how to append and link. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.